What's up, everybody? Welcome to SWRC this morning. Today is the Recruit Mini. We're going to check its slow flight characteristics. Can't really whiz it around here too much. So we're going to check out how it handles in slow flight, it being such a short frame and, you know, pretty heavy for its size with the 1300 3S. We're going to see how she does. So here we go.
Engines armed.
Not too bad. A little bit of wobble. Not sure you can see that up there. Probably not. Yeah, let's see how she can maintain. Yeah, I wanted to go up the bigger field today. Went up there this morning and it's up on the hill. It was kind of windy. Not the best for this bird. Oh, she climb on throttle. That's that stabilizer. It gives automatic up elevator on throttle. Yeah, I'd have to be in the bigger field, fly no stab, to see, you know, how she would do, because you can't do it there. The trees all around. It's not the proper place for it. Well, I wanted to get some stick time in today, so I stopped here. You know, not ideal. Yep, sorry I can't bring her in too much closer. You slow her down, she wobbles a lot. Not a slow flyer, which we've already knew that, but see the wobble? She don't want to go slow. She just climbs, boy. You give her that throttle, she wants to climb. She wants to climb with that stabilize. Well, bring her in here shortly. Ooh, look at that wobble on the turn at slow speed. And she's a fast lander too, man. You gotta have room, because to keep her flying, you gotta be at a good clip. In a short, tight space like this, to get her slowed down for a landing is pretty tough. She don't want to fly slow, so you pretty much gotta bring her down like that and not do that. That was bad.
Engine disabled.
Took the winglet off. That's all right, they glue on. Yeah, so that's it. Winglet off on that fast landing. Just wanted to see what the slow flight was about here, and as you can see, that's not what she's designed to do. That's not what she wants to do. We knew that going into it, but it was a test run. Easy glue on winglet. And next time we'll get to a bigger area where we can let her rip. Let her rip, give her the freaking power that she wants. All right, thanks for joining me here at SWRC. We'll see you in the future.